Okay, how about you read? How do you read this one, Clement?
Frog.
Frog. And then how about this one?
Caterpillar.
Very good.
How
How about this one?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Then this one.
Butterfly.
How about this one?
Robot.
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 This one.
Balloon.
This one.
Footprint.
Abay. This one.
Frog.
Good. This one.
Footplate.
Abay. This one.
Bingo.
Bingo.
Bingo wheels.
This one.
Bingo wheels.
Bingo wheels. Abay. And this one.
Umbrella.
Galing ah.
Umbrella.
Fast talk with Clement.
Hat. Hat. Hair. Balloon.
Yay!
Away ko.
Abay ko. Abay ko. How about this one? Abay ko. How about this one?
Octopus.
Galing ah.
Why?
How about this one?
No.
Abay! How about this one?
Robot.
Abay! This one?
Elephant.
Abay! How about this one?
House or rocket.
How about this one?
Rocket house.
Ba yan?
Away ko.
How about this one? How about...
Away.
Very good.
Away ko.
Alright, cool. What else?
Away ko.
Alright, cool. This one.
Or glass.
Hourglass. Galing ah.
Away ko.
Alright, cool. How about this one?
Hamburger.
How about this one?
Make a piece. Away ko.
Alright, cool. How about this one? How about this one?
Liwak.
Yay!